So now you can see, as it's been around 7 to 8 hours, my clock is completely cured. Okay, it's not completely cured. I don't have to like start using it as a finished product, but now what I can do is I can just put in the second coat on it. As you can see, now it's completely cured. Now what I want is I want to add on some golden to it. For adding on a golden, what I have done is I have already mixed some resin here. That's transparent resin, resin and a hardener, and it's very little quantity. I've just taken 10 of my resin and 5 of my hardener here. And what I'm doing today is totally optional. If you want to add on some glitter lines, you can add on the first day itself. But for this design, I preferred it on the second day. So let's get started. To this resin that I have already mixed, I'll be adding little glitters. So for the glitters, I'm using this normal glitter. Okay, I'm just taking a little more of the quantity. Because I wanted it very glittery. I hope you can see. Again, for this reason, I'll leave this resin for 5-7 minutes more. I want it to be very thick so that I can get very fine lines. Till the time, make sure your surface is very much clean. It's been about 10 minutes that I have left my resin. You can see it's already started getting thick. Now I want my resin to be into paper cup, so it will be easy for me to pour in. The only reason I'm transferring into paper cup so that I can just make a peak or a nozzle of my cup, and then I can pour in the fine lines. So you can see the consistency, my resin is thick enough. So we should start pouring in. I've just made a peak of my cup and then I'll just start pouring in. Now let's get started with the second line. If you can see, I'm using very fine and thin lines. I'm just making in a way where I can see where I'm putting in my glitter. I'm just making a line more over here. And now that we are done, so like this much glitters only I want. These are very much optional. You can put in if you want to avoid it. You can just don't put it. And now I'll be just covering the surface again using some high-tech things as we have done yesterday.